So in this lecture, we'll be learning narrow AI versus general AI. There are two types of artificial intelligence. One, narrow AI, which is also known as the weak AI, and there is general AI that is not completely yet made, but it's a bit hypothetical, and it is also known as strong AI. So let us begin with narrow AI. So narrow AI, also known as weak AI, refers to the artificial intelligence system designed to perform specific tasks. These systems operate within a limited context and are tailored to handle particular problems or activity. So narrow AI cannot multitask. It usually works on a particular task or a particular thing. Let us find out the characteristics of narrow AI. Narrow AI excels in one specific area such as image recognition, language translation, or playing chess. So if you see Google Translator, so it is one of the tool of narrow AI. It performs one specific task. The next characteristic is task oriented. These systems are built and optimized to perform a single task or a set of closely related tasks. The third characteristic, predefined functionality. Narrow AI systems operate based on pre-programmed algorithms and can't generalize their knowledge beyond a specific domain. So what happens in narrow AI is information is fed to this AI. It cannot learn on its own. So it has some pre-programmed algorithms and it cannot generalize beyond their specific domain. So it will do what it is told to do. It cannot learn new things and it cannot perform different functions or multitask. It also lacks self-awareness. Narrow AI doesn't possess consciousness or self-awareness. It functions based on its programming without understanding the underlying concepts. Learning and adaptation. While some narrow AI systems can learn and improve from data, example machine learning models, their learning is constrained to specialized domain. So what we feed to the narrow AI, usually what happens, it doesn't learn further on its own. The expertise of the narrow AI will be in that particular field only. Whereas some machine learning models, they can learn and improve from the data. Now let us see what are the examples of narrow AI. So narrow AI, so the first example is voice assistant. Siri from Apple, Alexa from Amazon, Google's Google Assistant. They can perform tasks like setting reminders, playing music, or providing weather updates. Recommendation systems also. Netflix and Amazon, they use AI to recommend you movies, shows, or products based on user preference and behavior. So what happens if someone likes a genre drama, Hollywood drama movies? So Netflix will use AI to recommend same kind of movies to the particular person. Now, image recognition. AI models like those used in Google Photos can identify and categorize objects and people in images. Google Photos, also Google Lens. You click a picture of something and it will show you results on the web of the particular product of a particular person. In Google Photos, if you have a group, you can just pick out your friend and you'll get all the photos of your friend. So this is how narrow AI works. It is also used in game playing. AI systems like AlphaGo are designed to master and excel at specific games, often outperforming human experts. So for example, if you are playing chess on your mobile, so what happens is that if you are playing a single player, the other player will be computer when you'll be playing. So what will happen? The computer will make such moves so that it wants you to lose. Obviously, in some games you can select the difficulty, easy, medium, hard, or expert level. But it is designed in such a way that it will try to win on its own. So in game playing, narrow AI is also used. Some other games are also available. Now comes the general AI, strong AI. General AI, also known as strong AI, refers to the artificial intelligence systems with the ability to understand, learn, and apply intelligence across a wide range of tasks at a level comparable to human intelligence. These systems are hypothetical as of now and remain a goal for future AI research. So we don't have a particular, a particular software, a particular app which we could term it as it is general AI, it is the a strong AI, it can do everything on its own. Till date, we don't have such a tool that we can refer it to as general AI. Obviously, there are very fantastic AI tools which can perform a lot of functions beyond our imagination. But according to some scientists and researchers, it is not yet their general AI. Now let us see the characteristics. The general AI, or also known as the strong AI, it is versatile and flexible. General AI can perform any intellectual task that a human being can across various domains and contexts. It is also, autonomous learning from previous experiences and adapting to new situations without any human intervention. If it makes a mistake and somebody corrects it, so it will learn from it, and without any human intervention it will update itself. So this is a very good tool. You always do not need to feed it. Now let us come to the next characteristic: self-aware and conscious. General AI would possess self-awareness and the ability to understand and process abstract concepts and emotions. If it can talk to you in a certain way if you tell how you feel emotionally. So it doesn't have emotions, as it is a machine, it is a software, but it is being programmed such way that it can communicate to you in the same emotions or in the emotions you want. Now generalization: able to apply knowledge learned in one area to solve problem in different unrelated areas. Taking information from one place and its application is in other place. So what will happen? It has learned something from somewhere, and it will use that information and use that knowledge to apply it somewhere else also. So it is capable of doing a lot of things. Also, it will human cognitive abilities. General AI would exhibit cognitive functions such as reasoning, problem solving, planning, understanding natural language, and perceiving the environment. Now, we know the computer works in a binary language. So what happens is that here we have then understanding natural language. So what is natural language? So we communicate to AI in our natural language. It could be, English, Spanish, Hindi, anything, any of the language. So now what will happen is the natural language in which we talk to AI, but the computer doesn't work like that. Computer works in binary language, that is 0 or 1. So it has a code. Like for example, if you write 0100, this means 4. When we press 4 on our keyboard, so we see 4, but the computer somehow stores 4 in this way, 0100. So the computer works on a binary language. Now what happens is that, let us take some example. You can also give hypothetical scenarios to AI. No true general AI exists as of now. Now let us see some hypothetical scenarios. As of now, no true general AI exists. It is a theoretical construct that represents the ultimate goal of AI research. There are movies made in 2001, A Space Odyssey, and some movies like Her, some science fiction movies where AI is shown. So the current status and challenges are technical complexities, ethical consideration, research focus. So these are the current challenges, so that why strong AI or general AI is not being able to build, but soon it will be there in the very near future. Now what is the summary? The summary is that narrow AI specialized systems are designed to perform specific tasks efficiently, lacking generalization capabilities. General AI, it is still a theoretical concept of AI with human-like cognitive abilities capable of understanding, learning, and applying knowledge across a wide range of tasks. This was general narrow AI versus general AI. So these were the two types of AI. And for this video, that's it. I'll meet you in the next video.